Today we're going to be discussing how to get this clean, dewy, glowing skin for the summer. By the way, if you're new here, my name is Bridget Harrison, aka Bridget H, hairstylist, makeup artist, and content creator. Question of the day is, what is your favorite product to give you dewy, glowing, light skin? This look here was inspired. It was inspired for my birthday. My birthday just passed, and I really like, when I go out, I really like my skin to like look like skin, and then I also like my cheekbones to really pop. Okay, the brows are done. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna take a little of my Chanel powder and set the brow, which you don't need a lot. Mineralize by MAC, and I'm using dark deepest, and it's a quick way because I be always running behind. So I'm always running behind, so I'm always trying to think of something quick. But then if I'm on set and then it's like, we gotta go, because, you know, lady will say, Bridget, you need a 30-minute face. So, what, 30 minutes? I can't do makeup in 30 minutes. And she was like, yes, you can. I was like, okay, I can, I'm gonna learn. So, and I like to go like right here, because when I come in and contour, I'm putting that contour and I'm gonna blend it up to my brow. Bam. Now, this is where it gets easy. I'm gonna take the fluid sheer from our honey and shake it up. I'm gonna pump some more. I'm not pumping a lot, y'all, because a lot goes a long way. I'd rather build up than pump a lot because it's expensive. So I don't wanna waste it. So I'm gonna take it. I dipped it in the product, and I'm not gonna do all that. This is what I'm doing mine. I'm gonna place this product as if I'm placing eyeshadow. Bam, y'all see cool. Now I'm gonna take a dry brush and go through and somewhat blend it like it is eyeshadow. So then I'm gonna take some more and do the same thing. So all I'm doing is just really building up what I want. So now I'm gonna take my Tom Ford palette, which is the Quad 04 Honeymoon. Yeah, Tom Ford eyeshadows, like they 2 arms, a leg, and a butt, but baby, they is so worth it. These shadows, look how pigmented they are. Tom Ford is like my favorite eyeshadows. Like, if Tom Ford, if you're looking the beauty department, I love your eyeshadows. If I have 2 of them, 2 quads, if y'all could send me the rest, it would be crazy appreciated. Thank you. Okay, yeah, I'm begging. Look, this year we begging. Closed mouths don't get fed. Okay. I got excited. So I'm gonna take the same 513 brush, and this is the thing. You can spray like Fix Plus on a brush or whatever to wet it and dip it in a shadow like this. Not wet, like dripping wet, but make it moist. Make it moist. And it'll make the shadow pop. So me dipping this in this shadow is not gonna harm this shadow. So I'm using, I'm gonna use this gold color here. This one. I don't want anything too dark because it's gonna give like y'all gonna see, it's gonna be very glowy. And all I'm doing is patting it on in the same, see? I'm patting it. I am patting it on, okay? Let me tell y'all something. When I walked in Monarch Saturday, baby, I was glowing in the dark. Y'all, I had on this fuchsia romper. Y'all gotta go look on my Instagram. I'm telling y'all, woo, I'm gonna drop it right here. Bam, picture gonna be right there. It's gonna be right there. I'm telling you, I was, woo. They say 46. Well, sis, I was like, God, it's good, ain't it? Okay, y'all, I'm extra. Y'all just, I'm so extra. My friends know it. So I'm an introvert, extrovert, but when I'm with my people, though, 77 black gel liner. Dip in and take a little, And if you see me brushing it, I just take a little. It don't take a lot. And then I go on the top and take some of it off of it as well in the top, because it does not take a lot. Now I'm gonna go in and line my eye. So if you see, it's not a lot down there. I don't want a lot because I don't want a smoky eye. I just want to enhance it. I'm gonna take a dry brush and blend that in. Now the purpose of this is to make it dewy looking as well. So now I'm gonna go in with this powder and I'm gonna smudge it in. Huda Beauty, and use her matte foundation. I just love, like, after wearing it for a while, how my skin look. And I have discoloration because I'm like yellow up in here, then I'm darker here. So I really try to get something with a decent balance, not too yellow, not too red. But if I do, I just kind of balance it out with highlighting and contour. And these are alcohol sponges. It's like medium to full coverage, and you can build your way up. Now that we're done with that, I'm gonna go in with Huda Beauty, her cream contour, her contour and bronzer cream, and I use medium. And then I'm gonna take a smaller brush and get right over here too as well. Have y'all watched True to the Game? Any of them? If you watched True to the Game and you've seen all of them, I watched the last one last night. I was just like, it was good. It was, okay, so I'm gonna say the first one was really good. The second one, I was like, it wasn't a bunch of killing like the first one. But it had to be like that to get to the third one. But I was like, shh. The third one, that was killing. I was like, Lord Jesus, I not said it wasn't much killing, but damn, I was like, but it ended up being really good. It was cool. It's about drugs and stuff, so you know, everybody gonna die or whatever. But it was just kind of like, oh, okay. I didn't expect the ending, but it was like, oh, the ending had some twists. I was like, oh, okay. But I'm gonna watch it when they come out with another one. It makes me really want to go read the books. I don't know how many books she got, but I need Manny not to wait so long for us to get these other ones. You see, I've added the bronzer, and you see I didn't add a lot. So now I'm just gonna take my fluffy brush and blend it in. And now I'm gonna go in with the same concealer that I used on my brow by Nars. And I like to use the same blending brush that I used earlier to blend the product in, because it goes into the skin and it softens up the product. Look at that. I've done my concealer. Now I'm about to warm up my face with my bronzer. I'm gonna mix these two together, which is Minted Yacht Light. Minted Yacht Light, and then Deep Darkest. And I just pat them together, like. And I just like to blend it out. Fluffy. And I don't mind being red or warm, because that gives a good balance to my foundation and concealer, the overall makeup look. But I don't want to be too dark. And if you ever go too dark, just keep blending and it'll soften up. I'm starving. I'm gonna change my mind on what I'm gonna eat. Okay, so now I'm gonna set. I'm gonna use my Laura Mercier powder to set, and I have a brush that I use by YONGNUO. I love that brush. So I'm just using the regular Laura Mercier, and all I'm gonna do is I like to tap it in the, like I'll put some on, tap it back into the top, and I'm gonna set everywhere I didn't use my Mineralize powder. I really like to use this. Go back in with the Inglot gel liner, and I'm gonna go in my waterline, but I don't want to. Now I don't be wanting to, but sometimes it still happens. I don't want to line the outside of it. Okay guys, so I did my lining. So I'm gonna take that black powder again, the black shadow. And I'm still, the goal is still to not like smudge it out, which it might happen. It's just to set that liner in the eye. I'm gonna take this same palette and use this color here. I like to do that A, because it's a sultry looking color, and then it just gives the eye like a nice dimension. And I'm gonna connect it to my corner. Uh-oh, I connected too much. I put too much powder on it. Ooh. You gotta remember, we've been layering it the whole time. So it's just gonna automatically, bam. Look at that. So what I'm gonna do next is take my Christian Dior bronzer. That works. Ooh, yes. Then I'm gonna take my Givenchy shimmery gold. This by itself can do the job, y'all. This alone can do the job. This is gonna be the look for the summer. We glowing all summer. We, you know, we can't go outside. We can't go outside. Last couple years been lit out. We going outside. Oh, what y'all thought? I said I'm gonna come back a baddie. What y'all thought was gonna be given? Oh, she cute. Accessories, you know, Kendra Scott. So y'all see this glow? This is what we doing all summer long. Simple, clean. If you start to sweat, you pat, you just gonna glow. The glow won't come from within the glow. This right here though, is like, that's what that is. Like you can't, like, I don't care, you can't eat, it's not a lot. For those of you who don't wear a lot of makeup, and for those of you who do, it's finna be hot. You don't be nowhere melting. I seen it. You don't want to pat. Just saying. But anyways, we're done. This look is complete. The question of the day, what is your favorite product to give you like a glowy, dewy looking like skin? Please drop that below, and make sure if you haven't subscribed to the channel, turn on notifications, click the link below, and make sure to comment and talk to me. Other than that, y'all have a nice day, morning, night. Enjoy your blessings.